How to see who saved your TikTok videos? What you have to do is simply tap on the inbox icon and simply click on the activities banner near the top. Tap on activity. Now to see complete activity of your account, tap on your profile and tap on the menu icon, and under personal tools you'll find your activity center. Now simply tap on it. Now if someone hits share and saves the video directly to their camera roll or on their device, TikTok will not send you a username notification. You can only view the overall count just like this. The user count will only increase and you won't be able to see the username. But if they happen to reuse your content, they will be available right over here. And you'll be able to see the reuse of your content history and who have reposted or reused your content. And that's all you can do on your TikTok. For more analytics, you can head over to TikTok Studio and see other details by tapping on the analytics. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.